Good evening, dear students. Today we are start the new chapter, chapter 7, fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole such as 2 upon 3, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 9, etc. When we have to make the part of the whole, then it become a fraction. Like 2 upon 3, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 9. In 2 upon 3, numerator upper value is called the numerator and the lower value is called the denominator. So numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. Here numerator is 4 and denominator is 7. Upper value is called the numerator and the lower value is called the denominator. So here numerator is 5 and denominator is 9. Now the types of fraction. First is like fraction. What is a like fraction? Fraction with same denominator are called the like fraction. If a fraction with same denominator means the lower value. If the lower value are the same, then it is called the like fraction. Fraction with the same denominator. You are see there 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9. In their denominator, all there is 9. So, all these are the like fraction. Second is unlike fraction. Fraction with different denominator are called the unlike fraction. You are see there, here in the denominator, there is 2, there is 4, there is 8, there is 7. Are all the different. If there are the different denominator, they are called the unlike fraction. Next is unit fraction. Unit means 1. So, fraction with numerator is 1 is called the unit fraction. If in the numerator means upper value. If in the upper there is 1, then it is called the unit fraction. 1 upon 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 16. You are see in the numerator there is 1. If in the numerator there is 1, it is called the unit fraction. Next is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called the proper fraction. If numerator is less than denominator, it is called the proper fraction. You are see, numerator 3 is less than 4. So 3 upon 4 is proper fraction. Here 5 is less than 7. Numerator is less than denominator, then it is a proper fraction. Next is improper fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called the improper fraction. If the numerator is greater or both the numerator and denominator are equal, then it is called the improper fraction. Here numerator 5 is greater than denominator, so this is the improper fraction. Here 7 numerator is greater, so improper. Both are equal, then also it is a improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction or mixed numbers or mixed fraction. When an improper fraction is written as a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. There is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. There is the mixed the whole number and the proper fraction. So it is called the mixed number or the mixed fraction. For example, 1 whole 2 upon 7. So here 1 is whole and 2 upon 7 is a proper fraction. So it is a combination of the whole and proper fraction. 1 whole 2 upon 7, 1 whole 3 upon 5, 2 whole 3 upon 4. So all these are the mixed fraction. So write these definition in your copy. Next is to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. So how we have to convert the mixed number into the improper fraction? Here 2 whole 3 upon 8 is a mixed number or the mixed fraction. So first we have to multiply the whole to the denominator, 2 into 8, then plus the numerator and plus 3, and in the denominator we are write the same 8. Then 2 8 just 16 plus 3, 19 upon 8. So first we have to multiply 5 3 is 15, 15 and 2 17, 17 upon 5. Next is to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So how we have to convert the improper fraction into the mixed fraction? Improper means the numerator is greater than denominator. It is converted into the mixed. Rule is divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient obtained is the whole number part and the remainder is the numerator of the fraction part of the mixed numeral. You are see the example here, 23 upon 9. So 23 is divided by 9, 9 to the 18, remainder is 5. So this quotient is become whole and 5 is become the numerator. So 2 whole 5 upon 9. Next is equivalent fraction. What are the equivalent fraction? An equivalent fraction of a given number can be obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. You are see the example 1 upon 2. In the 1 upon 2, in the numerator and denominator, first we are multiply by 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Here we are find the 5 fraction. If you are find the more fraction, you are multiply by the 7. But remember, in the numerator and denominator, we are taken the same value. So when 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 12. These are the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. Next is to test whether the two given fraction are equivalent or not. So test for the equivalent or not, we are doing the cross multiplication. For the cross multiplication, the numerator of the first is multiplied to the denominator of second. 3 is multiplied to 21 and 7 is multiplied to 9. Denominator of the first is multiplied the numerator of second. Cross multiplication means 3 is multiplied to 21 and 7 is multiplied to 9. So when we are multiply, we get the 63, both are equal. So these two are in the equivalent fraction.